got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support. All right, guys, we're back with another video. This video ain't nothing but I guess you want to call it like a recap or whatnot, whatever you want to call it from Wake the Dead show. It was this past weekend. Of course, y'all know I'm gonna be uploading videos. Well, they won't be all at one time. So, you know, a lot of y'all been following. Y'all already know how to do it. I schedule the videos, and, you know, they come out a little bit at a time. They might be overtime, but, you know, if you subscribe, you'll be able to see it. But, of course, y'all see the shorts and things of that nature a little bit earlier than you would the actual video sometimes. You know, but sometimes they, you know, they might just jump in there here and there. But, you know, I just got them in there. So if you subscribe to the channel, you better see them. But, y'all, be patient with me. I don't really send out videos and stuff like that due to the fact of copyright issues. I've actually had copyright issues before. Well, I actually got them right now. I just don't. I could actually have the videos taken down, but I haven't did it to anybody because, you know, I'm just trying to be decent. Not really decent, but, you know, I could just flag the video every time I see somebody using a video of mine, but I haven't did it. I was just trying to be, you know, generous, I guess. But I could really do something about it, but I just kind of let people just slide a little bit here and there, but that's the reason I don't do it anymore. Some people just steal your videos offline and then just upload them, and I'm not really a fan of that. So definitely, you know, I'm not, you know, trying to be ugly or mean or nothing like that. I need y'all to understand that, you know, it's a copyright thing. So when I send it out to people and they start uploading, and other people getting they uploaded, and then somebody with a decent truck, man, they always got to do the most around here. But anyway, yeah, people try to upload your videos and it just get to circulating, and, you know, they don't even give you credit for your video, or they don't even tag, they don't even see if it's okay, they just do it. So my thing is with that, I just go ahead and just don't even fool with it, you know, rather. Well, I guess you could say that, but that's the issue I had with that. But like I said, the show was great. You know, it was in Jonesboro, Arkansas this year, so it's a little bit closer for me. It was 2-hour drive instead of 3 or 4 hour drive. It used to be in Searcy, Arkansas, but this time it was in Jonesboro. So it was good. Of course, we took 2 vehicles. It's a little pricey when you're driving 2. So I mean, I could understand why people just tow them. You know, because, you know, you don't want to get yourself in that situation where you're paying for gas for 2 vehicles, but the gas really wasn't that bad on a 2-hour ride. You know, it wasn't a whole lot, so it was decent. So, yeah, but the show this year, it was more spread out than the usual, show. I think everybody's kind of spoiled from the Searcy fairgrounds because everything was right there together. Everybody was bundled right there together, and we didn't have to go that far. Well, of course, you know, some people might have liked it, some people may not. It was spread it out so far, you know, you had to walk way over there to see certain things of the cars. You know, it was an arena. You know, it was an arena parking lot. It's the First Bank or something, or some kind of bank over there, arena over there in Jonesboro. You can look it up if you want to look on there and see how big it is on the outside. So he had a whole lot of space he could work with, which it was good because he was able to separate the stunt walls, because some people don't like the stunt walls. So he put the stunt walls and the loud doors and stuff like that on one part in their own little section over there, which he had other demo builds over there as well, but, you know, it was a specific area they had to be in doing that. So I guess that was the, you know, try to make many people that you can happy. So he did that, you know, and he had a great venue. It was nice. It was excellent as far as the space. You didn't have to worry about it. It was a bunch of parking. Even if you were just a spectator, you could have parked on the other side. He had a whole bunch of space for this, so you could go over there and park, and you'd be good, you know. So the entry fee was, I think, like $40 or something like that for your vehicle. Spectators were free. So I don't know how much it costs to run, or nothing like that, but it was $40 for the entry fee. So you know, that was that. I think that's kind of going rate for some of these shows anyway. So Other than that, man, it was a whole bunch of demo bills out there. It wasn't too hot, it wasn't too cold. It was just laid back. They stayed out there till like 12 o'clock. I didn't stay that late this year. I got quite a few demos. I didn't get a whole lot, not as probably as many as I did the last year. I think that was due to everybody being so spread it out. So, you know, you got a lot of people spread it out. You got a lot of people, you know, walking around and you can't really get to everybody. I didn't even know some people were out there until after I left. And I seen it online. They were like, yeah, I was there. I didn't see you. But, you know, it was so many. So, you know, it was like 3 or 4 or 5 different lots you can walk to. And they would just spread it out. So, you know, you kind of had to do a lot of walking, which, you know, it wasn't too bad. But it was on concrete. I'm trying to think of everything, you know. It was on concrete, so if it's there next year, you would know. You know, it was on concrete. You don't have to worry about if you don't want to drive your car in grass, don't want to walk in grass and dirt or whatever. I don't know where it's going to be at next year, so I don't know. You know, you got to reach out to him for that. But the vendors were good as far as what I seen. You know, a lot of car audio guys were there, a lot of big names. It's always a good show, so. If I got a demo of your vehicle, y'all be sure to subscribe to the channel. Y'all know I'm gonna upload it. Y'all just be patient with me. And I'm planning on doing something different, man. This I was just trying to take that to that one show. It did good. I got a few demos, but it was more like I was doing more talking than I was demoing. I don't know, maybe it's I was trying not to do people because I know people get mad when you demo for 30 seconds and you get mad. I was going a whole song or two. I mean, I know for a fact I was doing one song, but I was going, you know, sometimes when nobody else waiting, I would go 2 songs, you know, or 3 songs. It would play all day. You know, full tilt, wasn't heating up or nothing, it was good. But as far as I get it playing or somebody get in the car, I get to talking, and you know how we do it. We get to talking and then people out there waiting, and I apologize if that did happen. You know, you know, I'm always gonna talk to somebody. I feel like I'm actually a part of the Basshead community. You know, I'm friends with everybody, not everybody, but you know, I don't dislike nobody either. But when I say friends with everybody, when I start talking to you, that's what we doing. We talking like we've been knowing each other for years, and that's what I was doing. You know, we always do that. When we get there, we talk. Anytime we see each other, we talk. We might talk 20, 30 minutes. By this time, the demo done stopped. We done got the talking about whatever we talking about. The people standing out there, the crowd waiting. I think I had to get put out of my own vehicle at one point. My old lady told me to get out. I think she might have signaled me out, and then she turned it on, and you know, and I had to get over there and talk. You know, y'all know how we do it, man. I think I do more talking than I do playing the radio. So I might not even need a beat. I might just need to talk. Because, you know, we have a good time talking. I ain't got a demo. I'm ready to shoot, you know. I enjoy kicking it with y'all. I ain't going to lie to you. But, yeah, man, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I don't know what the next show is going to be. I don't know none of that. I don't know what Slam is at next year, so I can't say for that. But I need to know about them shows y'all got coming up, because I don't know where I'm going. What they say, where we go from here, I don't know, because I don't know about the next. I mean, Ruckus and Chill is in November. I might make that. You know, you got to drive around right now because the roads are messed up. So, you know, it was real terrible over there. Y'all seen the footage over there, you know, for what's going on from the storms and stuff. So you got to drive around to get there, which I ain't really stressing about the drive around. But I'm wondering how would that affect the show, as far as the people still coming, and then the economy is kind of rough. So, you know, money's a little bit slow. You can't really do it like you used to do it, so you got to do it a little bit slower so you can do it some more. We say do it slow so you can do it some more. That's the old country saying that we say you got to spend a little bit less so you can last a little bit longer. No, that's really what we're saying. So that's really what you got to do right now, because it's kind of tight, you know. Of course, we still spend a little money here and there, but you gotta survive. So don't overspend trying to go to shows and buy car audio equipment. You still gotta live. You know we all like to do this, but we gotta live. You know, some of us strung out on it. We're addicted to this thing, which I understand, but we gotta know how to say, no, let's wait on it. So I would rather put more money into going to the show to see y'all than I would into like a real big build and putting a lot of high-end equipment in. You know, if I'm gonna do high-end equipment, I'm gonna do it over time so I can stretch the money out. Now, unless you just got it to spend. If you got it to spend like that, you know, that's cool. You know, then go ahead and spend it, you know, if you got it to do. But I believe in budgeting. You know, everybody's budget ain't gonna be the same. So, you know, my budget may not be what somebody else call a budget. You know, yours may be, I might not call it budget. But, yeah, man, it's a nice morning out here. It ain't too cold. It's a little cold. So y'all know, you know, it's about that time. It's about the winter time and fall, winter time / deal. And I'm trying to go down to Louisiana. I need some Louisiana shows. I want to get back down there. And some Mississippi shows and so forth and so on. I met a guy at the show. He said something in Oklahoma. I'm going to be sure to share his stuff. They're actually giving away cash prizes at his show. He's starting them up. He just started it. I think there's Team Pressure over there in Oklahoma. And I'm going to start sharing some of their shows. They're doing cash prizes. Pop Tart has some shows in Middle Tennessee and Kentucky. Of course, you got Greg over in East Tennessee. Greg Keller in East Tennessee. It's a bunch of different people, but I don't know if Melissa's still in Texas or is she in Alabama, but hopefully she has something in Alabama coming up so I can go down there and see what they got going on. And whoever else got going, I'm trying to come on through, man, so I can get some more footage and kick it with some more bass heads so I won't have to wait till next year. But anyway, y'all be sure to subscribe to the channel. And I got this nice custom audio by JD. Pull over the show, appreciate it, bro. And he got the nice logo on the back. So if there's something, you know, you want to get custom audio by JD, he can do your enclosure. He can, you know, he got merch, subwoofers, whatever. He actually sells stuff as well. So if you need any equipment, he got that too. So you can go over there to custom audio by JD. And of course, y'all can hit that up on Facebook, or you can go to cardioconnect.com and they say enclosure builders at the top. If you go to the top, I got them listed. There's one right there. So you can go right there on cardioconnect.com, click enclosure designers or builders or whatever it is, and you can go right there, and his information will be right there on the site. So if you want to, you know, get some work, a legitimate guy, you know, that's who you can go to get right. So I'm gonna see y'all back on the next one. I ain't gonna hold y'all too long. Hit like and subscribe, share the video. Go to cardioconnect.com. You can support the channel. Use the code BASSWITHKEV or BWK. All the codes are listed at the top. It won't cost you anything extra, just a referral code for me, and sometimes a discount code on most sites for you. So I'm gonna see y'all back on the next one. Thank y'all for tuning in.
You got the right equipment, ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out cardioconnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top cardio brands. I appreciate your support.